I love that someone's actually going head to head with AirPods and said, hey, we're gonna get a product that may be better than yours. So we came here to the Sennheiser booth looking for the Ambio soundbar, and these babies stopped me in my tracks. These are the Sennheiser Momentum True Wireless earbuds, and they are all the rage right now. Possibly the main competitors for AirPod kind of stick out a little bit, but I feel like aesthetically they're not as intrusive in your ear. They have a 4-hour battery life. They definitely block out the ambient sound. I was able to test it out back there in the booth. And also they came out with the Usbc Charging this year. With all these wireless earbuds, what I do like is that they're very convenient and also non-intrusive, so you don't have wires that are tangling you up. I love that someone's actually going head to head with AirPods and said, hey, we're gonna get a product that may be better than yours. The sound is definitely really nice and immersive. My only issue is my ears are really small, so these don't really stay in my ears that well. But that's always been my issue. That's probably not most people's issues. My mom says I have monkey ears. I don't know if that's a compliment or not. But when you put them in, the other thing that aesthetically sticks out is literally it sticks out, like little monkey ears. But would you rather have that or like the long stick that comes out, like AirPods? I guess that's just a matter of preference.